What's going on, everybody? Mark over here. So in this video we'll be doing a review of the SecuX cryptocurrency wallet. So here's me doing the unboxing of the wallet. As you can see, there's a safety seal on the box. There's also actually two safety seals. There's one on the box and then one on the USB port of the actual wallet. So as you can see, the wallet is packaged really nicely. I think the packaging is awesome. It's a cool box, not too big, not too small. The wallet itself is extremely sturdy. You have these metal edges around the side, and it's actually touchscreen. And on the back, where it says SecuX, it's sort of a rough plastic finish, but it's not even plastic. It's sort of like a rough rubber finish. But it's a really good design. I really like the design. I've never seen a design like this. It's a pretty big and sturdy wallet. This is a great one to throw some coins on, throw it in your safety deposit box, come back like 5, 6, 7 years later just to have a small fortune. As you can see, there's the second seal. Now this one is for the mini USB port. Now this one, it does come with a mini USB cable. It's going to be using the new gen Android cable, which is really awesome. I think that's great. I'm so sick of seeing the old generation Android cable. So this is the new one, so it's going to charge a lot faster. And right off the bat, when I turned this on straight from the box without charging it at all, it had full charge. This was great. It had a full charge. Once you turn it on, it's going to ask you to set up your wallet the same way you set up pretty much any cryptocurrency wallet. Eventually, once you set up your wallet, it's going to look like this. You're going to have a QR code on your wallet. You have to give a name to the wallet. You have to do the recovery phrase, write down your recovery phrase, and then you need to write it down and then confirm it. Now this is touchscreen. There's a few different options. You have Bluetooth hidden. There's also a hidden wallet I wanted to mention. As you can see, there's different options on the screen there. The hidden wallet is especially a hidden wallet where you can create a second pin for accessing your hidden wallet. This pin must be different from your current pin. So this one is a specifically different wallet. So if someone wants your coins, if you're just trying to really hide your coins really well, this is a great way to set up a hidden wallet. Now there's also Bluetooth connectivity. So this will connect, you can turn on your Bluetooth. So this will connect to your phone or your computer via Bluetooth. This still has half a charge, so this has been sitting around. This retains battery pretty well, holds a charge pretty well. I think it's a really good wallet. I definitely highly recommend this. It's built really nicely. So if you're deciding whether to get a Trezor, a KeepKey, or this wallet, in my opinion, if you want something sturdy and something different, something newer, but it's definitely a newer one. I know KeepKey and Trezor always have new models, but this one with a new Android cable, I think this is definitely a really good wallet. I would highly recommend you guys this. I'm probably gonna throw some coins on there and throw it in my safety deposit box and then forget about this. But overall, a really good wallet. Highly recommend you guys give this a shot. And if you have this wallet, let me know in the comment sections below what you think about it. All right, this is Mark from NullTX, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!